Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious double choc zucchini muffins. As always, all the ingredients are listed in the description box below. Line a muffin tin either with patty cases or just with a little bit of butter, and then just mix through your dry ingredients. I'm using oat flour today, but wholemeal flour works beautifully as well. I was gifted these beautiful homegrown zucchinis. They weigh about 1 kilo each, so they are massive. So I'm just slicing them up just to make them a bit more manageable. My little E is going to grate these in the food processor for me, but you can also just chop the zucchini up into small pieces if you prefer. One safety tip is to turn off the power at the power outlet in between steps. This just stops your little one from accidentally turning on the food processor when they're not meant to. My little E adds in the rest of the ingredients into the food processor. I love cooking with her when I get the chance. I do find it such a rewarding experience, but I have to be organised and in the right headspace to do it. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions about cooking with toddlers. And then finally, we're going to mix through some chocolate chips and spoon that into the muffin tins. My little E had lots of fun tasting a few of these dark chocolate chips and also decorating the top of the muffins. I love how proud she is once it's all ready to go in the oven. And then these don't take very long to cook at all, about 15 minutes in a preheated oven. And there you have it, a really easy, healthy recipe to try for you and your littlies. And let me know in the comments below if you do give these a go. And remember to snap a picture and tag me in Instagram because I love seeing your creations. For more simple and delicious recipes, remember to subscribe to Recipes for Littlies.